In this guide, I'm going to show you how to pre-order GTA 6 Ultimate Edition on PlayStation Store for PS5 tutorial. This is the easiest method. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Also, I just launched the GTA 6 $1 million money map so that you can monetize the hype. Now, this is my exact strategy on how I plan on making $1 million from the GTA 6 hype before and after release. And inside, I'm going to break down the content ideas, YouTube plays, digital products, affiliate angles, and other ways to turn all of this attention into income. So if you want to follow the exact same roadmap that I personally am using, check it out. Every purchase also does help support the channel and allows me to continue making videos like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Now you can do this from your PS5, your computer, your laptop, or your phone, but open up the PlayStation Store and make sure you're signed in the same PlayStation account that you use on your PS5. And essentially just tab over to the PlayStation Store, and on the main screen you're gonna see GTA 6 on here. If for whatever reason you don't, which I highly doubt it won't be on here, you could just search for Grand Theft Auto 6 or GTA 6, but open it up and you're gonna see all the available versions, like the Ultimate Edition. You'll also see the Standard Edition, but choose the Ultimate Edition because this version usually includes extra bonuses compared to the Standard Edition, like additional missions, vehicles, weapons, clothing, and customization options. I highly recommend this one. Now, if you've already pre-ordered GTA 6 and got the Standard Edition, you could just scroll down and select add-ons right here and upgrade, but go ahead and just pre-order it, and then from there you are good to go. You just got to select that purchase, hit confirm purchase, and then you can go to your library and download it once pre-downloads do become available. It's that simple. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.